At equation 2a, Faizal invested 17,000 ringgit into his account at 5% compounded quarterly in 5 years ago. Now the account balance has accumulated to 21,262.76. Find the interest rate K%. First, we have to identify formula that involves in this formula. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N. N equal to MT, I equal to K divide M. S equal to 21,262.76. P equal to 17,000. N equal to 4 open bracket 5 close bracket. I equal to K divide 4. 21,262.76 equal to 17000 open bracket 1 plus K divide 4 close bracket power of 20 open bracket 1 plus K divide 4 close bracket power of 20 equal to 1.250750588. 1 plus K divide 4 equal to the square root of 20, 1.250750588. 1 plus K divide 4 equal to 1.011250003. K divide to 4 equal to 0.011250000271. K equal to 0.045. K equal to 4. C. 100 ringgit is invested for 4 years 10 months. This investment is offered an interest rate of 9% compounded every 3 months for the first 2 years and 7% compounded monthly for the rest of the period. Calculate 1. The amount at the end of the investment period. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N. N equal to MT, I equal to K divide M. P equal to 600, N equal to 4 open bracket 2 close bracket, I equal to 0.09 divide 4, S equal to 600 open bracket 1 plus 0.09 divide 4 close bracket power of 8. S equal to 600 open bracket 1.194 x 3 1142 close bracket. S equal to RM 716.990. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N. N equal to MT, I equal to K divide M. P equal to 716.90, N equal to 34, I equal to 0.07 divide 12. S equal to 016.90 open bracket 1 plus 0.07 divide 1 2 close bracket power of 34. S equal to x 73.6. The interest earned. I equal to S minus P. I equal to x 73.66 minus 600. I equal to 273.66.
Part B, question 1. If Hadhari invested RM600 and 46 every month into investment fund for 5 years that pay an interest rate of 8.5% semi-annually. Find the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period. First, we have to identify a formula that involved in this question. The question given involves investment, so we need to use formula S equal to R bracket 1 plus I closing bracket power n minus 1 divided by I closing bracket. 8.5%, if you convert, it will become 0.085 per 2 equal to, simplify as 0.0425, and equal to 2 times 5 equal 10. First, then we have to replace the information given into the formula. S equal to 646 open bracket 1 plus 0.0425 closing bracket power 10 minus 1 divided by 0.0425 closing bracket. S equal to 646 times 12.146,22278 equal to S equal to RM 7,846.46. Question B. David wished to accumulate RM 55,108.68 by making payment of RM 483 at the end of each quarter. If he gets 50% compounded quarterly on his money, how many regular payments will he make? The formula involved is S equal to R open bracket 1 plus I closing bracket power n minus 1 divided by I. I equal to 0.15 per 4, simplify as 0.0375. We need to transfer the information given onto the formula. 55,108.68 equal 483 open bracket 1 plus 0.0375 closing bracket power n minus 1 divided by 0.0375 open bracket 1.0375 closing bracket power n divide minus 1 equal 4.278620,342 open bracket 1.0375 closing bracket power n equal 5.278620,342 n power will be transferred to the front. We use n long open bracket 1.0375 closing bracket equal long open bracket 5.278620,342 closing bracket n equal open bracket long 5.278620,342 divide 1 open bracket long 1.0375 0.0375 closing bracket and equal to 4.45.19112238, and we simplify or we simplify it as n equal to 45 times he can pay.
Hello everyone, let's discuss the topic of annuity and present value in more deeper. Let's look at one of the question provided. Rani purchased a condominium at cost 650,000 ringgit and paid 10% down payment. He took a loan to settle the balance at a bank that charged him an interest rate of 3.9% compounded monthly. He was required to pay equal monthly payments for 30 years to settle the loan. First of all, we need to find the important point like purchases. Its amount 650,000 ringgit. Then down payment 10%, interest rate 3.9, next compounded monthly 12. The last but not least is equal monthly 30 years. Next, before we enter the formula, we need to settle the down payment first. 0.9 multiply 650,000 ringgit equal to 550,000. The next step, let's find by using the formula A equal to R1 minus principal 1 at I minus and division I. So we add the information in the formula, then we can get the last answer is 2,759 ringgit 26 cents. The next question is to settle the outstanding arrears. The formula is S equal to R principal 1 plus I power of n minus 1 divided by I. As usual, enter all the information given, and the final answer of outstanding arrears is 16,619 ringgit 60 cents, which has been rounded. The last our discussion question is to calculate the outstanding balance to be paid. But before we enter all the information in formula, we need to settle balance of payment. Is 360 minus 300 equal to 60. And then we use formula A equal R principal 1 minus 1 plus I equal power of n divided I. As usual, we put all the information in the formula to get the answer. Then, the answer that we get is 150,193 ringgit. Thank you for your attention.